What's going on, everyone? Got a 2017 Nissan Frontier. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter. I've already replaced it, so we're just going to go over it real quick on what to do, okay? So we're going to need to remove this glove box, pretty much. It's not that hard. There's a few Phillips screws we're going to have to take out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this seal back, and we need to pop this trim off. Okay? What we're going to do is just grab it, and we can just pull it right off. It's just clipped on here, okay? Down here at the kick panel, this panel too will need to be pulled off a little bit. You don't need to remove it all the way. Okay, so now there's some Phillips screws. We're going to take out this one. Okay, there's one down here and one down here. Okay, these guys are already removed, just so I can do this real quick. And there's one right here. Okay, so once you get all those out, you can just pull the glove box off. The cabin filter is in this little compartment right here. The door, this clip right here, we're going to push it up. See if we get a better angle on that. We're going to push this up. Pull the door. Okay, you can see how that works. And then we're going to remove the little door. And there's actually two filters in here, okay? They're little bitty ones. You can pull one out. You can see they're brand new. Just replaced them. And this one here, you're going to pull off to the side like this. Pull it like that, okay? So if you need some filters, I'll leave a link in the description box. When you put them in, make sure you put them in with the airflow going the correct way. And the Frontier, the airflow is going up. So filter says airflow up. Put it in here like this. Slide it over. Get the other one. Put it in there. That. You get the door, put it back on. Snap socket on. Okay. And then we'll put the screws back in the glove box here and put all the trim right back. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.